Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a city with cardboard. First, gather your materials. You will need various cardboard boxes, tubes, and scraps. Think about different sizes and shapes for diverse buildings. Also, collect essential tools like a pair of scissors, a craft knife, a ruler, and strong adhesive glue. Don't forget decorative items such as paints, markers, and construction paper to add color and detail to your urban masterpiece. Now, let's plan and cut. Begin by sketching your city layout and individual building designs on a piece of paper. This helps visualize your urban landscape. Next, carefully cut your cardboard pieces to form walls, roofs, and other architectural elements. Remember to use a ruler and a craft knife for straight lines and precise cuts, ensuring your buildings have a professional and sturdy appearance. Safety first with sharp tools. With your pieces cut, it's time for assembly and details. Securely glue all your cardboard pieces together to construct each building. Strong adhesive is key for durability. Then, add windows, doors, and other features using smaller cardboard cutouts or by drawing them with markers. Finally, create roads, parks, and landscaping elements to connect your city, making it feel like a cohesive and bustling metropolis. Get creative with the layout. For the finishing touches, decorate and enjoy your city. Paint or color your cardboard city to bring it to life with vibrant hues and textures. Consider adding small toys or figures to populate your newly built urban landscape, enhancing the play experience. Display your finished cardboard city for imaginative play and creative enjoyment. It's a fantastic project that offers hours of fun and a wonderful sense of accomplishment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.